Do you think you should have won the Grammy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
Do it.
Oh, Cartel, I made my son Jamal for that song. It's a numbers game and Jamaica is small. I support my Empire original from Carl DEVA BRATT, DEVA forward. Tell them in the name of Raper.
I came out of my room naked. I never have on any clothes. And the policeman video me and put it on social media. So I don't know what to do. I see him with the phone in my hand. See him with the phone in my hand, but through a police, me click to my senses, I video my video. Because remember, so them duty is to serve and to protect. So me never know say video this man have video me. I'm at gunpoint with flashlights.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's hot topics, we're going to talk about VYBZ KARTEL throwing shade at DEVA BRATT once more. TikTokers outraged at the silence for the 14-year-old who got unalived by alleged madman. VYBZ KARTEL thinks he should have won the Grammy. ROSALEE officially went on TVJ for her interview for what happened with the policeman exposing her. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates, and also turn on your post notification bells so you'll be the first one to get notified when I upload a video. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. VYBZ KARTEL and Wayne Marshall did an interview the other day where they catch up on, you know, old stories and how VYBZ KARTEL came about creating the Gaza. DEVA BRATT's name came up, and VYBZ KARTEL did not hesitate to take another shot, another jab at DEVA BRATT, dissing him. Check this out.
Mechanic, Mr. Silva left it.
Alright.
Yeah, Mr. Silva, quit your job. Come link me up a father road me. Call Rhino, Mr. Rhino, because Rhino grow a water foot. Mr. Rhino forward. Lisa did done there with me as a Gaza girl, and I support my Empire original from Carl DEVA BRATT, DEVA forward. Tell them in the name of Raper.
Wait that tape for.
Yeah.
Jaja God. No, but just like our kids see we, I'm proud of we.
Yes.
You must see the G's them.
All of them.
I'm proud of them.
All of them.
After that DEVA BRATT went live with Jamaica's worst gamer on YouTube, and basically I tell Cartel stuff to back up or else. Also, DEVA BRATT ain't gonna link up with Footer Hype and Miami and say anyway but Cartel, this is what go check this out.
I'm not lie, DEVA BRATT hungry for war. I'm not telling that. DEVA BRATT hungry for war. People, when DEVA BRATT call me and say, Footer, where you there? I'm gonna say, how I go on? Him say, yo, I'm boring and I drive, I look for war. So what you mean I drive, I look for war? The man say, me is a cartel there. And him there in Miami, and I here around the place. So me say, him left LA and there in Miami, he say, what go on? The man say, yo, I want to drive, go look for him. And me say, what do you mean drive, go look for him? You big out the war? The man say, no. I just want to find him. Him say, Footer, I know where you're there now. Just where him there, just carry me over there and turn on your live. And make a clash same place. I say, DEVA BRATT. Serious, man? The man say him dead serious.
Still on VYBZ KARTEL, he did an interview with Drink Champs, and they asked him a question about the Grammys, you know, because you know, remember I said there was an uproar about him winning, Shenseea winning, Bob Marley winning. This is what he said. Check this out.
The only
But them times as a youth from the ghetto, we was like, where are you not bound to kill him? Dancehall was changing, and I was one of the kids at the time that was changing the flow. You're in the club thinking they're gonna hear,
Do you think you should have won the Grammy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
Do it.
Oh, Cartel, I made my son Jamal for that song. It's a numbers game and Jamaica is small. Allegations.
Like that.
Oh, you gonna take two for the culture?
Okay.
No! How did you guys come up with calling it Gaza?
Yeah, and what does that mean for an artist coming from Jamaica and overseas?
Dancehall is forever. I like drinks, champ. Not just for the drink, but for the
Yeah, the conversation.
Social media influencers have been crying out lately about what's going on with the Price Johnson case. They're basically saying nobody in the community or neighborhood heard the child crying and helped, and then others are saying people are silent on the social media, but if it did not negative or them kill a gunman, people would have block road. Check this out.
Some madman just walk in our apartment complex, take one hammer and batter one like a 14-year-old and a life her and nobody no know. I mean I talk about apartment complex, one house they far for us and one house at the stuff. Me I talk about apartment complex, one door there and one door there and one door there like two ticky bird. So you mean for tell me said no no hear that they put the ball out for help after him spend so long till he all grape her and allegedly SAR as well. And none of uno in there no ear. Because you not telling yourself say uno and him mama don't talk, uno don't like him mama, then I saw no live bad dirty people, I saw no live bad, I saw no wicked and evil that uno sit down up in the apartment complex and no hear the little pitney ball out for help. And none of uno no come out. No help the little girl, so the madman could have do all of do with her and go about in business and when tell me pick it down and alive and everything. The whole of no crawl out like cockroach with no phone and take a video. The whole of no crawl out like cockroach with no phone and take a video.
You know, say if police bullet one on a bad man bridge, you know, quick for black road and bun tire. But a 14-year-old girl get her innocence taken and her head open up. I mean, not even ear clappers bust. When the bad man them, they were supposed to protect the community. When the bad man them, they were quick for rise up the tool if you accidentally step on him wallaby. When the bad man them, they will slap out your head if you look on him funny or say something with him like. Oh, sorry. Uno busy a bully the average Jamaican people. Uno busy a oppress the poor Jamaican man and woman. The schoolboy and the schoolgirls. The old and the defenseless. It's like when real issues are at hand, nobody can be found. Dog, remember in the late 90s, early 2000s, if you thief, you get broke up. If you assault woman, it costs you your life. Why are so many women and children being targeted and not tool now rise? Dog, this hurt me to my core, brother. Another thing, stop send round the videos and pictures of an undressed 14-year-old girl with her head open up. Stop ask me if you send you the video. I mean, I have no video. Stop ask me if I want to see the video. I don't want to see it. Why would I want to see a 14-year-old girl's undressed body with her head open up and eye pulk out? Please, for the love of God, respect her family and loved ones. Please, please, Jamaica, me a beg you no. Rest in peace, Price. God damn, bro.
As I said in my previous videos, they have different stories. Some people are saying that the mother was, she gonna work and sell. Then she did sleep and she left her door open. Some don't know what kind of story they made. And then, so if the mother was in the house and heard, I saw you sleep dead. I know people that sleep dead, but boy, and then nobody not hear nothing. It's sad. It's sad. No, just hope they find justice sooner or later. Anyways, guys, so speaking of people coming into invading your privacy, ROSALEE, as we all know, was, dehumanized by the police, exposed her nudes online without her permission. So here's the official report on what really happened. Check this out.
I came out of my room naked. I never have on any clothes. And the policeman video me and put it on social media. So I don't know what to do. I see him with the phone in my hand. But through a police, me click to my senses, I video my video. Because remember, so them duty is to serve and to protect. So me never know say video this man have video me.
The incident happened Saturday morning while she and her relatives were at home sleeping. Now, according to the woman, the police did not present a search warrant and only asked her and her common-law husband if they knew certain individuals.
I'm at gunpoint with flashlight. I'm to my friend out and my sleep is like say, me no never, well, me I grab off for the gun and me I box it out and or something because me just get up out of my sleep. When the friend out here sleep, yeah, that take place. Be a police running here and that's them do sting search.
ROSALEE had a high-level investigation into the incident. The woman also intends to take legal action against the state. She's outraged and says the actions have caused her great distress. She's particularly worried about the impact it may have on her 2 children.
you know, kids will always be kids. Just I hope it doesn't affect them mentally. Just hope and pray for that. You know, so kids will always be kids, especially their parents have kids.
Yeah, guys, that's it. That's what she said that happened. But make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest update. Leave a comment and share. That's it for now. I'll see you next time. Bye.